रज़ा भाई, कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर जो इकनॉमी जिस तरह की पाकिस्तान की है टर्बुलेंट, उससे कोई फ़र्क पड़ता है आपकी सेल पे और परचेज और प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी पे?
Thank you, Farid Saab, for actually having me here, and actually to speak with all these very distinguished panelists. I'm not an economist. I'm just somebody who sells chicken. And what happens really, yes, definitely consumer फर्क पड़ता है, because क्योंकि आप price अगर लेते हैं तो consumer जो है वो it's a very price sensitive market. But just building on what she was saying, and because we kind of share a lot of she comes from a similar sort of an industry. Beverage is our partner as well. What really happens is what Pakistan sees is that in spite of all this inconsistency and instability of economy that you see, the positive part is that we all are expanding, right? Ma'am also just said that she's increasing the capacity. We're also expanding, we're putting up stores as well. With all these challenges that you have in the economy, which is there, and which we definitely speak also, and we should talk about the challenges as well. The positive side that I just want to show is that we still have a huge consumption market which has a very, very strong bandwidth to take on more. So I guess that's the positive outlook. The negative or the challenging outlook, not that I want to say negative, this last 2-3 years has been really turbulent for businesses, and primarily more to do with political side than the economy itself. It was very much self-driven, that all of the turmoil that we created was our own because of the political reasons. The policy rate that you see, the forex that you see, all of that primarily was driven by the political
Raza bhai, with apology, a big round of applause for Hafiz Naeem Saab.
Thank
जी सर, आप कुछ कह रहे थे।
आज तो वो हमने देखा, बट जो आपका सवाल है कि कंज्यूमर, यस, कंज्यूमर वॉक्स अवे जब आप प्राइस सेंसिटिव मार्केट में प्राइस इंक्रीज लेते हैं, अफोर्डेबिलिटी है नहीं, फिर जैसे इन्होंने बताया टैक्सेशन इतनी हैवी हो गई ऑन द बिजनेसेस साइड एज वेल एज ऑन द सैलरीड इनकम एज वेल, तो वहाँ पे आपकी जो डिस्पोजल इनकम वो श्रिंक हो गई। जब वो श्रिंक हुई तो डेफिनेटली कंजम्पशन पे प्रॉब्लम आई वहाँ पर। तो इन सारी चैलेंजेस को देखने के बाद हाउ हैव बिजनेसेस एक्चुअली रिस्पॉन्डेड टू इट, राइट? दैट वाज द रियल टाइम दिस थिंग. Now, one way of responding was that you take a panic call and you go outright and adjust all the margins right away, और आप consumer को बिल्कुल ही walk away कर दें. The other way was, like for in the case of ours, was that we had to really be very scientifically going about it, that a lot of absorption the businesses had to take in order for the consumers not to go away, or in order for us to get the right traffic in place. So it was a very turbulent time. How do you manage consumer traffic and engagement of customer? वो balance businesses ने ज़्यादा absorb किया, और जिसने ज़्यादा किया absorb उनकी traffic का results बेहतर रहा। जिन्होंने नहीं कर सके, and there were instances जहाँ नहीं भी हो सक रहा था जिनसे, वहाँ पे जो है वो आपको जो volume sacrifice करना पड़ा। तो that's how it has been going.
बिल्कुल सही।